Welcome to Washed Ashore. Let's walk along the beach and see what we can find today. Day 1, Beach Walk Vlog. First, I spotted a single slipper covered in seashells and tiny marine life. Oh, look at this. It's a pair of pliers, an old hand tool. It's really rusted, but it might still be useful. Oh, wow. Look at that beautiful sunset over the water. Check this out. A pair of sunglasses. They look like they're still in great shape and totally usable. Here's a round floating buoy with a hole through the middle. I think these are used for fishing boats, and you can find them everywhere along the shoreline. Oh, look, kids' building blocks. There are so many of these on the sand. If we collected them all, we could probably build a whole mini house. I found another type of floating ball. These are scattered all over the beach, definitely used for boats or marine gear. Look at these unique seashells. We can collect these to make some amazing creative crafts. And here's another building block toy. It's a small car, but it's missing one of its wheels. Wait, I just found something really valuable. It's a touchscreen Sony smartphone. It looks broken and probably doesn't work, but what a surprising find. This looks like a broken piece of a light fixture or something similar. Not very useful, but definitely garbage. Here's a screwdriver. It's old and rusted, but with a little cleaning, it could still work. Another floating ball. We really do find these everywhere. They're definitely used for boats. Oh, a tiny toy car. It's super colorful and catchy. Definitely a fun little find. Here's a different type of float. It's ring-shaped instead of round. This one is used for boats and fishing nets, too. A discarded plastic cup resting in the sand. Next up, I found a plastic pot. It actually looks really nice and intact. And yet another variation of a boat float. The sea keeps washing these right onto the shore. Here's another plastic ring float. Another small round float ball. And another plastic cup buried in the sand. As the sun sets on our walk today, I want to leave you with a quick reminder. Please don't throw garbage on our beaches or into nature. I made this video to show how much trash ends up on our coastlines every single day. We need to clean up and protect our beautiful environment, not harm it. Keep our beaches clean, and thanks for watching.